Question number 36 of test series 11 is from Geotechnical Engineering from chapter of shear strength. Now in this question, it is given that a modified vane shear test is done in such a way that if this is the vane shear apparatus, then the soil mass is only touching this top and bottom surface, and side surface it is not in contact with soil sample, or somehow it has been cushioned and some torque T is applied on the top. Then it is asked that what will be the modified shear strength formula for this modified type of apparatus. Now if we talk about top and bottom surface, since both are symmetrical, we will analyze only one and multiply it by 2. Since it is having a radius of r, capital R, and if we consider a small section at distance of small r, which is having thickness of dr, then torque applied, it will be transmitted like area multiplied by stress, that is shear stress multiplied by 2 into pi into r multiplied by dr. This will be force, because stress multiplied by area gives us force acting on this elementary strip because of this applied torque T, which is causing failure of soil mass, multiply by lever arm, which is r in this case, and integrating it between values 0 and r. Now we have to neglect this portion of height h, which is not in touch with soil because it has been cushioned somehow, and only top and bottom surface churning is causing the failure. So upon integration, T comes out to be 2 multiplying it by 2, because we have to consider top and bottom surfaces both. So it comes out to be 2 multiplied by tau into 2 pi r cube by 3, integrating between 0 to r, and replacing r by d by 2, we get T as pi d cube by 6 into tau. So tau comes out to be 6 into T upon pi d cube. So correct answer for question number 36 is option C. Had walls been also contributing towards churning, then correct answer would have been B.